Let's do this. All right, this is to my boy Matty at RC Anonymous. He was doing a little giveaway, and he said, "What's your favorite RC?" Well, here we go. These are unstrapped, regular old trencher 40 series. And it's an animal. Freaking Kraton, boy. Definitely breakage. First time. What? Oh shit. Not even a shock slap, just the ends. Wow. Can't even blame it on that. Just the shock end too. God damn it. That was my bad. I should have took it easy at first. Alright, that was short-lived, but still love the Kraton. That was 100% my bad. I went for the double backy and at the last minute tried for 3, and I should not have done that. Alright, YouTubers, that's it. It's been nice to get out.